Welcome grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, tell me class, what was the topic that we did yesterday in science? Yes, you have done about Earth. What are the different continents, right? How many continents are there on the Earth? How many continents are there? And how many oceans are there in the whole world, right? So, remember, I've asked you to learn the names of the continent and the names of the oceans along with the spellings. So, have you learned that? Yes, still learning? Okay. Let's just recap what are the continents. Come on, tell me how many continents are there? Very good. There are 7 continents. And what are what are those? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Very good. These are the 7 continents. And what are the names of the oceans and how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans, correct. And what are those? Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean, correct. These were the things that we did yesterday in our class. Now, what we are going to do today is related to the same topic, that is Earth. Now, tell me class that is the Earth as hot as the sun? No, it is not. Sun is very, very hot. It is hotter than anything, right? So from where does Earth gets heat and light? It gets its heat and light from the sun. Very good. The Earth gets heat and light from the sun. Now I'll show you something and then we are going to discuss this again. Now see, what is this? Again, it's your Earth. It's a globe, and like I have shown you yesterday also, that all the continents are here, all the countries are here. This is our Earth, which is shown in the form on a globe, and globe is a whole world map, right? So now see, this Earth is getting light from the sun. This my torch is, suppose my torch is the sun. So it is getting light from here. So when this part is getting light, what do you think? What part of the day is it? This is the daytime, right? It is the daytime wherever the country is facing the sun. That part of the earth is going to have daytime, whereas the opposite part of the earth is going to have nighttime. Because you know that the earth keep on moving like this, it's moving, and whenever it is going nearer to the sun, it is having daytime. When it's going away from the sun, it is getting nighttime. So this is how the earth rotates. It keeps on moving and it keeps on having, and that's why we have the different time of the day because of the movement of the earth. Remember, it is the earth that rotates. It is the earth that moves slowly, and so we will have day and night time. Now, the question comes that why there is so much, this earth is blue in color. What does this blue color represents? This blue color represents, very good, it tells you water. And how much is the earth covered with water? 3/4, very good. The 3/4 part of earth is covered with water and the rest is covered with land. Now I'll share a picture with you and you will know from here. Can you all see? Now can you all see this picture? Again, it's a picture of a globe of our earth. You can see 30% is land and 70% is water. That is why you can see why this globe is all blue, because 70% of this is water, the rest 30% is land, right? So always remember that 70% of the earth is covered with water, 30% of the earth is covered with land. So 30% is also too much, right? That is why you see there are so many countries, there are so many continents which are there on the earth, right? So now the question comes that who lives on the earth? Who are the people who lives on the earth? Everyone lives on the earth. You see, we humans, we live on the earth. Does plants live on the earth? Of course. Plants live on the earth. Animals live on the earth. We all are living beings and we all live on the earth, right? The earth is our planet. We all are living on this planet, right? So that means that animals, they live on the earth. Human beings, whether they are old, young, adults, they all live on earth. Plants, if the plants are big, small, whether they are trees, tall trees, they all live on the earth. So now my question is, I want you all to draw a earth like this. You can see my earth over here, our planet earth. You will draw earth like this. You can just show with different color, land with brown color and green, and the rest you can show with blue color, like like you can see over here. And what you are going to do, you are going to draw different living beings over here. You can draw animals, you can draw plants, you can draw humans, to show that we all live on the earth. Okay, we all live on the earth. So you are going to do this. But before starting this, I want to explain one thing more. And that is, to live on the earth, what is required by human beings? What do we all need? What do living things need to live on the earth? Yes, we need land, we need air, we need water. This is very important. We all need land, we all need air, and we all need water to live on the earth, whether we are human beings, whether we are animals, whether we are plants. Do you understand? So this was the main purpose of explaining this, that you should know that what do we all need to live on the earth and who lives on the earth. So now you are going to draw who are the people or who are the person or who are the things that live on the earth, like we have already discussed. So since it is drawing and writing, it's going to take some time. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. All right, class, time is up. Time is up. Okay. Very good. Now show me your drawings like this. Hold up your paper or your notebooks and show me. Wow, very nice. Very good. Excellent. Now you have drawn. You know what you have done. Now I want you to present it in front of the class to explain what you have written, what you have drawn. Yes, starting from you, Arya. Yes, you have drawn. This is your planet Earth. Very good. And you have shown animals, plants, human beings. Very nice, because they all live on the excuse me, they all live on the earth. Good job. Yes. Alia. Correct. Very good. You have drawn also different persons. Very nice. Very good. So that means you know that who lives on the earth? We all live on the earth. And what do we need? We need air, water, and land. So I hope you have understood what we have done in this class. And I hope you'll be able to do your homework, which won't be the difficult one. You can easily do it. I'll be posting that on your portal. So do it yourself, and don't forget to watch your Edward videos. There are loads of videos, and you will also find video on these continents. So do search for that and do watch that video. And I might show you that video in the next lesson. Okay, children? All right. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.